Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a data store script. So basically what it is you go into your game. Alright, you go join server. No, don't pay attention up here. It totally didn't save already. Alright, so you're going to collect coins, blah blah blah. You'll be grinding your games. I'm going to be making a data store tutorial, if I didn't say that. And then if I go back into the game, after I leave it, you'll see that my data, you can see my data has actually saved. So this is very useful for all games, especially simulators. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a saving leaderboard. If you are excited, leave a like and subscribe if this is going to help you and this is something you're looking for. And yeah, I'll see you in the video. Join the group, join Discord. See you. Oh, and by the way, you're welcome for not doing a weird intro again. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is, insert a spawn, so I spawn in next to the area I want to spawn in. Here is going to be where I spawn. You don't need to do this, I'm just doing it since it's a base plate and I don't want to spawn. I don't want to have to walk from wherever I spawn all the way over here. I'd rather just spawn there. Alright, after this guy, we can actually add in a script to serve a script service and name it to leader stats. In this script, we can do local leaderboard. Local function leaderboard, and then we're going to do player. And in this leaderboard, we are going to do local leader stats is equal to instance dot new folder. So if you don't know what we're doing right now, we're actually creating the leaderboard that is going to be saved. And then we're going to do leaderboard or leader stats dot name because it needs to have a name. We're just going to name it to leader stats, of course. And then we're going to do leader stats dot parent will be equal to player. Actually, to make this simpler, we can just do the parent here. We can just delete this parent, and we can do after the it's called quotation mark. We can just do comma, and it's going to do player. So it's automatically going to set the parent for player without creating a new line. Alright, and then we're going to do local, let's just do points, equals, instance.new, and we're going to do int value this time, and we're going to do point, and then, we're going to do, we can also do comma leader stats, and then we're going to do points dot name will be equal to points and points dot value is equal to 0. Let's just add one more leader stat because why not? And we can just keep everything the same except change the name of it. I'm just going to name it coins, and then you can paste the coins everywhere it says points. There we go. So now if I start the game. Okay. I always do this every time. Alright, and we're going to do game.player added connect and then leaderboard. So this is going to actually connect to the function when the player is added. There we go. So now if I do it, there we go. You can see we have points and coins up here. So we're going to be saving this leaderboard. First, I'm actually going to add in some coins that I can pick up to give me some stuff. So I'm just going to create a cylinder. You can rotate it so it face this one. This is a big coin. Okay, don't judge him. I'll make it smaller. Alright, and there you go. There's a coin. I'm just going to change the color to yellow, of course. And, I'm going to make it anchored. So then, in this coin, I'm just going to add a script to make it work. So I'm just going to do script.parent.touch :connect and then function. Alright, and then we're going to do we're going to do connect function hit. Alright, and then we're going to do hit.parent : find. No, we're going to do if hit.parent : find first child humanoid. So we're basically just checking if the coin was touched by a player, and then we're going to do local player is equal to hit. Oh no, is equal to game dot players get player from character, and then we're going to do hit dot parent. Alright, and then we can just go ahead and do player dot leader stats dot points. I want to make sure that I'm spelling the points right. Yeah, alright. I'm just going to copy the points actually just to make sure that that value is equal to, and then I can just copy this, and we're just going to add 1 point to it, and then I'm just going to duplicate this coin. Oh no, actually the script here I forgot to do. Delete this other coin because I need to change this. And we're going to do script.parent.can collide is equal to false, and we're going to do script.disabled is equal to true. Wait 5 seconds, and then script.disabled is equal to false, and script.parent.can collide is equal to true. There you go. So, and I can just go ahead and move this coin over here, and I'll change it from points to what's it called again? I forgot. Coins. And put this right here to coins also. And then I'll just change the color of it to let's do cyan so I can tell the difference. And there we go. Also, you still need to actually make sure it's saves, but I'm just going to test it out real quick. Oh, I forgot to put full screen on. I just realized. Alright. If I touch this, you see I'm going to get 1 point. Oh, forgot to set the transparency of it. About 5 seconds, I will be able to do it again. There you go. See it went up again. Alright, sorry. I'm going to do script.parent.transparency. Transparency is equal to true. And I can just, oh no, that transparency is equal to 1. And I can copy this, paste it down here, and set it to 0. And the other script here, I can do the exact same thing. 0 and 1. So now the coin should disappear for 5 seconds when we touch them, so it doesn't look confusing. Alright. Touch it. And I can also touch this one. And then in 5 seconds, it will reappear, and I can do it all over again. Come on. Allow. Yeah, it's setting the transparency to 0, so why isn't it spawning again? Script.parent.transparency is equal to 0. Is it there? Can I just not see it? Okay, that's weird. Hold on a second. Why? I set the transparency to 0. Alright, that's weird. I am so stupid. All I needed to do was look in the output And for some reason I put child added instead of can collide. Oops, I just did it again. Can collide. Alright, and then go do the other script and you can set to can collide again. Alright, now, alright, that was weird. Alright, if I touch a coin, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there we go. See it respawns again. The same thing would happen for this one. But that's not the purpose of the video, so I need to stop spending so much time on that. I can actually go to settings now. Okay, you're going to have to publish the game so I can get to the settings. Alright, I'm just going to call it DS Tutorial. Alright, so before we move on, make sure to publish the game. You can keep it private, but you need to have it published. And then you can go to security and enable access to API services, so that way it can get to the data store service. Alright, now we can add to another script and serve script service, and I'm just going to rename it to data store because now it's actually going to save it. So I'm going to do local ds equal game get service data store service. And we're going to do get data store, get data store, get data store, and we're just going to call it leader stats save. Alright, so then we're going to do game dot players, not parents, dot players dot player added connect function, not false function, and then we're going to do player PLR. Alright, there we go. So then we can do just add an await. And we're going to do local PLR key is equal to quotation marks ID underscore and then dot PLR dot user ID lowercase u and capital I. Alright, so then we can do local save 1 because this is the first data store, which is the points, is equal to player dot leader stats. I'm just going to actually copy the word leader stats because I'm tired of typing it over and over. Alright, player dot leader stats and then dot points. Alright, and then we're going to do local save 2 for a second leader stat, and we're going to do equals to player dot leader stats dot and then it was coins, right? Yeah, coins. Alright, and then we're going to do the local get saved. So this is basically going to save it. Oh no, this is going to load your data when you go into the game. So when you enter the game, it's going to load your data for you. So local get saved equals to ds, or no, ds colon get async. You need to make sure you spell that right. And then player key. I messed up data store scripts so many times just because they spelled get async wrong. Alright, and then after that we're going to do alright, after that we're going to if get saved. Then we are going to do save 1 dot value is equal to get saved, and then we're going to do brackets 1, and then save 2 dot value is equal to get saved, and then brackets 2. Alright, and then we can just do else. So if we have no data to load, we're going to actually save the data. So when you're leaving, you're just going to save it instead of loading it, obviously, because why would you load the data when you're leaving? You're going to do local NFS, for a number for saving, is equal to, and you can do pointy brackets, save 1, dot value, comma, save 2, dot value. Alright, and then if you had more, you would just keep going, like save 3 dot value and stuff. Oh, just have to come here. Alright, and then also if you had more, you'd just be doing save 3 dot value equals get save 3 equals get save 3 equals, you know, it's pretty sure you guys know that, right? Alright, and then we're going to do ds colon get async. Alright, and I'm going to do, oh, I spelled async wrong. Alright, then we're going to do PLR key, comma, NFS, and then we're going to do, alright, we're going to do down here game dot players dot player moving, not player added, but player be moving, colon connect function, and then we're going to do player PLR, and we can do ds colon set async instead of get async, it's set async, and we're going to do parentheses, quotation marks ID underscore again. We're going to do dot PLR dot user ID, and then we're going to do comma, pointy brackets, and then we're going to do PLR, and not physical property, PLR dot leaderstats dot points dot value, comma, PLR dot leaderstats dot gold, oh no, not gold, dot coins dot value, and then yeah, that's it. And now if we try to play it here, why does it say this is wrong? Well, what's wrong? Why does it show red here? Alright, I don't know why it shows red there. It shouldn't show red there. Oh, okay. I did not mean to do 11111. Alright, so instead of plr.userid dot, you're going to do comma. That's why. I just made a mistake. Alright. Now if we play it, we can collect a coin here, and collect another coin here, and then I'll collect one more coin from here, and I can go ahead and stop it. And if I play it again, hopefully, please. Oh man, what went wrong? It's a long script. Anything could have gone wrong. Actually, guys, nothing went wrong. For some reason, Roblox, I noticed this on my real games too, not just my tutorial games, but like when I'm creating my zombie game, for example, it said that it didn't work on the studio, it didn't save for me, so you're going to actually have to go into the actual game, to find the game. I'm going to show you guys how to find it first. Just go to create on roblox.com, go to my creations, and then you can see your game there. Just click on it, and then you can see here, press back, and you can see you made your way to the play page, and then you can play it. You go into it. I already tested it out, so you can see I have it's 2 points, 3 coins. I'm gonna get one more of here. Alright, then I leave again. Alright, the next day, I'm gonna come back to this game so I can finish grinding and I can beat it, blah blah blah. I'm a player, okay? And then I come here. Alright, come back into the game. It's loads. Really? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello? Alright, when it loads, if it ever does, you know what, I'm just going to restart. Alright. When it loads, please load this time, or I'm going to be sad. Where'd it go? Here it is. Alright, when it loads. Alright, really? Alright, but I think you get the point. When it loads, it will be showing it. If you guys enjoyed this video and that works for you, leave a like and subscribe. If it doesn't work, let me know in the comments and copy and paste the script you use, and maybe I can find out what went wrong with it. Maybe what's wrong with Roblox. But if you guys enjoyed this video, it helped you, leave a like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so I never miss another useful tutorial. Alright, here we go. See my points and coins right there, updated. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.